Welcome back friends, in this video tutorial of Anita Bioconcept, and in this video tutorial I will be discussing about complement system. So our topic today is complement system. So first of all, we all should know that what is the meaning of complement system. Complement system is a complex protein which consists of more than 30 soluble as well as glycoproteins which are mainly synthesized by liver hepatocytes. Although some significant amounts are also produced by blood monocytes, tissue macrophages and cells of gastrointestinal and genitourinary tract. So complement system does act as an effector arm of both innate as well as antibody mediated acquired immune response. Complement system is also known as complement cascade, which is a part of immune system which enhances or complement the activity of antibody or phagocytic cells to eliminate the pathogens and damaged cells from an organism. Okay, so now I am going to deal about the complement components. Complement components. Complement components or proteins are designated by letter symbols such as factor D, by numerals such as C1 to C9, and by trivial names such as homologous restriction factors. Okay, now I will tell you about the peptide fragments. Peptide fragments formed by activation of a component are denoted by small letters. Okay, so smaller fragment is denoted by letter A and smaller fragment is denoted by letter A and the larger fragment is denoted by letter B. Okay, I am giving a very simple example of some complement proteins such as for example C1. In case of C1, C1a is the smaller fragment and C1b is the larger fragment, and this is same in C3, C4, C5, but here C2 is an exception. What happens in case of C2? In case of C2, C2a and C2b, these are the two fragments, these are the two peptide fragments which are formed by activation of a component, and these are designated by the small letters C2 and C2b. But in case of C2, C2a is the larger fragment and C2b is the smaller fragment. Okay, now I will tell you about the function of these larger fragment and smaller fragments. What are the basic functions of larger fragment as well as smaller fragment? Okay, now larger fragment and smaller fragment functions. So in case of larger fragment, they bind to the target near the site of activation, but in case of smaller fragment, what is its function? Smaller fragments just diffuses away from the site and then they start local inflammatory responses by binding to specific cell receptors. Larger fragments does binds to the target, okay, near the site of activation, but the smaller fragments diffuses from the site and initiate local inflammatory responses by binding to specific cell surface receptors. Okay, so these are the basic functions of larger fragments and smaller fragments. Now I will tell you about the fragment interaction. Interaction of peptide fragments or the complement fragments. The complement fragments interact with one another to form functional complexes, and sometimes these functional complexes act as enzymes. These complement fragments interact with one another to form functional complexes and they can act as enzymes. Okay, now the complexes which are having enzymatic activity, how they are designated? Those who are having enzymatic activity, they are designated, means they are written as bar over the number or symbol. Bar over the number as well as symbol. So for example, I am taking C4B2A. So here bar is there. It means it is having enzymatic activity. Enzymatic activity. Now I will discuss about some of the functions of complement system. What are the basic functions of complement system? So the first function is lysis of cell, viruses and bacteria. It helps in lysis of cells, bacteria and viruses. The second function is it helps in inflammation. The second function is it helps in inflammation. Okay. The third function is it helps in opsonization, which promotes the process of phagocytosis. It helps in opsonization, which promotes phagocytosis. And the next function is it secretes immunoregulatory molecules, the molecules which are helpful in immune regulation. It secretes immunoregulatory molecules. And another function is immune clearance. Immune complexes are removed from circulation and deposited in the liver and spleen. Deposited in the liver and spleen. So these are the basic functions of complement system mediated by complement proteins. So this is all about the complement system, complement components and their basic functions. In my next video lecture, I will be discussing about the pathways of complement system. There are 3 pathways of complement system named as alternative pathway, lectin pathway and classical pathway. So in my next upcoming video lecture, I will be dealing about these 3 pathways. So till then, thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.